Hi everybody, welcome back for another video, and today really is an unboxing. I have two boxes that I've been waiting on for a little bit, not crazy long. Let's pull this one out first. It's tiny what we have in here, but I am going through a planning change, and it's a good change. I'm actually having a lot of fun, and I'm trying some new things, and I'm still using my A6. That's still my constant, but I'm just trying some new things just to kind of, you know, see what I like. And I was on the Filofax page, and they were having a huge sale. Oh no. Okay, it came off. It's that type of glue. And these are those little, I knew this was going to happen. I've seen other people talk about it. They were having a little sale on their webpage, and they didn't have in stock the color, what do you say? I was looking for a mini. They didn't have the color mini I was looking for in stock, but they had these cute little things. So I got the brown for me and the purple one for the husband. I mean, look how cute that is. And it even says in the middle, in like this shiny silver, Filofax. And it's a little notepad, just a cute little notepad. The purple is like a patent leather. And then the brown is kind of like, really reminds me of the leather of the original. Has a little bit more firmness to it. But I just thought those were adorable. I mean, I thought I'll have to zoom in for sure. I have, you know, the tiny little brown traveler's notebook, Midori. So I thought, well, I have to get the Filofax to go with, you know, my little collection of them. I mean, right? That's why we have collections. So I just thought it would be something cute to add. And they were having this huge, like, 40% off sale. So I was able to get two of these for almost the price of one, and then just very little for shipping. So there that is. That was a fun little order to place. And that took like 4 days to get here. I'm really surprised how fast they shipped, for sure. Okay, now, this is something that I've been really waiting for. You'll see it's from, without the glare, Mystic's Little Gift and Company, Happy Mail. I had placed another order. I love my A6. And I have been using the heck out of this since I've gotten it. And you can see it's chunked up a little bit. But she has a new size. Oh, wait, there's goodies in the front. Okay, let me get the box out of the way. So she has a new size and a new leather. What is this? Oh, it's her card and a fun sticker. And it's this is the Atlas leather, I think, in the in one of the card holders. I like that. Everything that we do and everyone that we meet is put in our path for a purpose. Marla Gibbs. That's really pretty. Nice journaling card. But she has a new size, something that she made for herself first as an accident. She was working on something for a customer and realized that she had cut the leather too short, but she wanted to keep it and use it and see what she thinks. And she's been using it now for quite a few months, and I've been intrigued by it. And I just decided to bite the bullet and buy it because it blends two things that I love. I really do like ring planners, ring binders. This is my Filofax Ochre Malden, and it's got my 2020, my weekly, okay, that's my 2020. My weekly, I've got my 2021 in here. I've got notes pages. I've got Futurama everywhere. This one's kind of the most disturbing one. The future is today, worry about it tomorrow. The worker placation and pacification authority. It kind of makes you worry if we're going to have something like that. Okay, but so I really do love rings. I love pocket. I love personal. I even have a beautiful A5 Filofax that we use for the home. So make sure that this is something new. It's an old leather that she's had before. Oh, it's so soft. Wow. Sorry, I just bumped you. I'll let you look at it while I smell it. Oh, that's amazing. So this color is called Sunshine. That's right, Sunshine. I agree with Anna, and it definitely looks like a pumpkin. So you'll see I got the snap closure. I'm really liking the snap closure. But you can see there's no strings, but there are rings. Really nice, good, tight rings. So what this is it is technically a standard traveler size notebook. Let me grab something. It's a standard traveler size notebook, but it has A5 rings. So here's just so you can see. There's the Midori writing board. Actually, my very first one from 2015. This is a, I haven't journaled this week. This has been a strange week. This is a Paper and Cats, traditional standard Midori narrow insert. I don't think it'll fit because of, but you can see it's the standard size. But in order to make this notebook the right size for rings, it's actually cut to be like an extra wide. So if you were ordering this as a TN, Traveler's Notebook from her, it would have a 2-inch spine. So it would fit like 10 to 12 inserts. But because of the space of the rings, you can fit almost. It ends up, the inserts that you need to make for this are just a little bit shorter, narrower for this. So I'm in the works of making some inserts. Right now I've got some stuff that I'm working on. I haven't had it, so I couldn't, how do you say? I couldn't, very cool. And if you want to put a smaller or a larger ring in, they unscrew. That is so cool. So that is something new. I don't have anything, I've got some things kind of ready for it, but not ready because I needed to see what this looked like. And I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Because it kind of marries two things that I love. A standard size traveler's notebook and rings. And I want to see what I can do with this. I'm still going to be planning in my A6. or my personal. I haven't decided. I'm probably my A6 because I'd have to print a whole bunch of inserts, and I really don't feel like doing that. But because I want to have that time to create stuff for this. So definitely expect a follow-up, because this is just my first look at the notebook jacket cover, and it is beautiful. Look how pretty that piece of leather is. Sorry, I'm just kind of in awe of it all. It's gorgeous. So that was my little unboxing today. Sorry, the puppy is here. I got some cute little Filofaxies, and I got my brand new standard ring binder. So like I said, it's an A5 ring, but an extra wide TN with a snap closure. And that is so cool. Okay, so if you have any questions, I will link Filofax down below. I think the sale is already over. And I will also link Anna at Mystic's Little Gifts and Company. There's S's on all of those. Mystic's Little Gifts. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.